Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to add checklists in Trello cards, a critical skill for managing your tasks effectively. Start by opening the specific card where you want to add a checklist. Click on the Add button located on the right side of your screen, then select Checklist. This step is crucial because it allows you to add an organized sequence of tasks or points directly into your Trello card. Now that we've done that, let's name our checklist. This could be anything from to-do to meeting agenda. The reason we do this is to distinguish between different checklists in the same card and to give ourselves a clear understanding of what the tasks in the checklist pertain to. Next up, let's add items to our checklist. Simply type your task into the Add an Item box and hit Enter. Repeat this for as many tasks as you need to add. This helps us because it breaks down our larger goal into manageable, bite-sized tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you complete tasks, you can check them off, and Trello will show you a progress bar. This visual representation of your progress can be a huge motivator, helping you stay on track and achieve your goals. In 2025, Trello also introduced a feature where you can convert checklist items into individual cards. To do this, click the three dots next to your checklist item, then select Convert to Card. This is handy when a checklist item becomes a bigger task and needs its own card for further details and discussion. Wrapping up, adding checklists in Trello cards is a straightforward process, but incredibly beneficial for effective task management. Remember, the key steps are opening the card, adding a checklist, naming it, adding items, and optionally converting items into cards. Thanks for watching and stay productive.